Continue. Baking every week. Even a person does not need to bake enough dough every week to require separation of the challah without a bracha. Right? There is a dough containing minimum of 2 pounds, 10.5 ounces. So it's almost 3 pounds, right, of flour. One would need 4 pounds and 15.2 ounces. I would say 5 pounds to round up, right, of flour in order to separate challah with a bracha. So let's try to understand what we're saying here. So as we said, or we did not say, I don't remember which class I said what, but in order to separate this challah piece of dough from the dough batch, right? You need a minimum. Let's say I round up, right? Let's say 3 pounds, but it's less than 3 pounds of flour, not the dough, of flour. So it's a lot. It's a lot of dough, right? And with a blessing, almost 5 pounds. So usually, we believe, everywhere in the US they sell the flour like standard packages of 5 pounds. So it's a lot. 5 pounds is a lot. So, and for most of the families, it's too much, unless there are many people and they like bread so much so they can eat it. But for most of the people, it's too much. So what they do? So women, our holy wives, in order to say the blessing on the separation, they would do the whole batch of 5 pounds, right? And they would freeze the dough, right? And just bake as much as they want, as they need, right? And then freeze the dough, or they would bake a lot, all of the 5 pound batch, and then freeze it, and then warm up when needed. So that's what I said. It's not practical on Friday, unless a huge family, unless. Okay. So continue. Some poskim rule that it's better to bake challah every week. So meaning that you're not going to do the mitzvah of separation challah, do every week. Since baking challah every week brings honor for Shabbos, it is better to bake a smaller amount every week without separating challah. Okay. Even if at the beginning of the week, then bake larger amount once few weeks and separate challah. See Orah of Shabbos lends a discussion of this halachos. Okay. So some say in honor of Shabbos maybe do maybe do only once a week. No, not on Friday, right? Others say no, we still want to say the blessing. We still want to say the blessing on the separation of the challah, and they do only like once several weeks. Okay, so I need like 7 minutes to finish.